Wish you all a great day ahead. And thank you once again for having me here. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
It
It
was
was
very
so much
So
nice.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Convey our thanks.
It was
Thank you,
almost
sir.
like he was here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys,
The podium is yours.
I wanted to share something because CP sir was without any doubt he was my favorite teacher in school. And so I really want to firstly thank Vinashya for getting this video from sir. And
He was live.
and also to sir for sending us all his blessings through this video even after 10 years. And for me, he was a mentor and a big motivator. He taught us chemistry, but for me, he taught it in a way that became a lifelong love. After school, I went to Manipal to study pharmacy, and chemistry was a big part of my education. It still is. I do a lot of chemistry even now, and it has formed such an important foundation in my life. And I cannot thank sir enough for that, because he was the one who built that foundation and love for the subject. So I'll always hold him in extremely high regard for being one of my mentors and a great teacher. Today my job brings me so much happiness and joy every single day. I found my true calling, and it wouldn't have been possible without sir. And I just want to tell sir that I'm so lucky and proud that I'm your student. And it's really been a privilege to learn from you. And for me, it's become my calling, my lifelong dream to be a clinical pharmacologist. So I owe that all to sir. And that's it. So I just wanted to say thank you, sir. And I wanted to tell all of our classmates as well that we'll be organizing an interactive session with sir sometime soon. So for those of you who are interested, we'll be sending out details. We'll organize it soon and we'll send out details. And if anyone's interested, we can have this interactive session with sir.
Oh yes, absolutely.
And just to
Yes, yes.
add what
Yeah,
Meenakshi
that
said,
sounds
he,
amazing.
sir was the coolest teacher, because I know Lavasa mein sir bhi aaye the. So
Yeah,
thank you sir for thank you sir for that trip also.
Exactly.
And he got idlis for all
Yeah,
of us.
idli. I know, right?
Yeah.
Idli
So
chutney.
sweet.
So still keep in touch with
हम
everyone
लोग
of
बस में
us
शेयर
and
कर
try to
रहे
know
हैं
everyone.
I wanted to
So-
add to what Meenakshi said. I think Sir was one of the most unique people, the most unique teachers in our school, because he could walk into any class, and whether he taught them or not, he could command a kind of silence that was just not possible. Like no other teacher could actually get that. And I think the way that he taught us was just it was very out of the box. And I think he taught us more about how to think and how to figure out things rather than kind of expecting us to by heart things, and the kind of rote learning that is usually encouraged in our education system.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I agree.
Well, hi. You probably remember me. I have a
We do,
twin
we do.
brother. He's
We
not
do,
here
we
at the moment. I just want to say thank you for your support and your help, as well as your interesting classes during high school. It was really useful for me in my life. And I am right now in Iowa State University with Mac, doing my PhD in aerospace engineering. That's what I wanted to say. Thank you.